Hi everyone, it's Mary from Mary's Kitchen MTL. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make sweet raisin buns. I'm telling you, these will be your favorite. These buns are incredibly delicious, soft and fluffy. You will love the results. So let's get started. The ingredients in this recipe can be measured with a cup or weighed with a digital scale. Let's begin by dissolving 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant dry yeast and 1/2 teaspoon of granulated sugar in 1 cup of lukewarm water. Stir it a little and let it sit for 5 to 15 minutes until the yeast activates. You will need 4 large eggs at room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, the zest of 1 lemon, 1 cup of golden raisins, and 5 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. Add the eggs and sugar into your stand mixer bowl. Attach the paddle and beat on medium speed for 2 minutes. While the mixer is running, add the oil and vanilla extract. It's important that the yeast foams on the surface before throwing it in. This means that the yeast is alive and your dough will rise nicely. Add the lemon zest and the raisins. Add the flour in gradually and continue beating on low speed. Once the batter begins to thicken, remove the paddle, scrape the bowl with a rubber spatula and attach the hook. Add the remaining flour in gradually and scrape the bowl as needed. Continue beating for 5 minutes on low speed. The dough should feel tacky. Remove the hook and scrape the bowl. Preheat your oven to 100 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a large bowl with oil. Transfer the dough inside the bowl and spread some oil on the dough with your fingers. Cover with plastic wrap and a clean kitchen towel. Place the dough inside the oven, turn on the light, turn the temperature off once it reaches the 100-degree mark. Let the dough rise for 2 hours until it doubles in size. 2 hours later, the dough will have doubled in size and it will look like this. Now, flour your work surface and transfer the dough. Fold, rotate, and knead it for about 2 minutes. If the dough sticks to your fingers, just sprinkle extra flour. Shape the dough into a ball, flatten it a little with your fingers, cut it in half and then in 4 parts. Set 3/4 aside, cover the dough to prevent it from drying. Roll 1/4 into a 14-inch long rope. Cut the rope into 4 equal pieces. Roll each piece into an 8-inch long rope and then shape it into a knot like this. Line a large baking tray with parchment paper and place the buns on the tray, spacing them 2 inches apart. Once again, preheat your oven to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the buns inside the oven and turn on the light. Turn the temperature off once it reaches the 100-degree mark. Now line another medium-sized tray with parchment paper. Roll out the last piece of dough and continue shaping the last 4 buns. Place this second tray inside the oven. Let the buns rise for 1 hour with the light on. After 1 hour, the buns will be nice and puffy. Place them on your kitchen counter and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, let's prepare the egg wash. Whisk 1 large egg yolk at room temperature with 1 tablespoon of lukewarm milk. We will brush the buns with the egg wash to give them a nice glossy finish. Bake 1 tray at a time on bottom oven rack. Bake the buns for 18 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden. This recipe produces 16 delicious raisin buns. They smell amazing and they bake just right. They are soft, light, and fluffy, just perfect with your morning or afternoon coffee. Enjoy! I hope this recipe becomes a new favorite for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I will see you in my next video.